Bali second game pa lang nerd. Start na po.
Oras.
Wala pa nga.
Start na.
Baliw.
Yung team po, Chucky, Ivan, Justin, Lex, tsaka si Papol. Papol, yung naka-violet na short. Si Idol.
Hey,
Kakaray. Bading.
Start na. Ivan to Justin. To Lex, back to Justin, taking 3. Wala, rin mo ba Chucky? 2 balls. Chucky, come. 2-0. Tapatan pala ng mga ano to, mga best players versus mga MVP. Magkakasama yung MVP. 12 seconds to shoot. 10 sa steal. Out of bounds. Bola ng
Bola ko.
Team A. 15 seconds to shoot. Makmak. Mac to Robbie. Short jumper. No good. Rebound by Mets. Drop pass to Ray. No good. Rebound by Mets. 2 points. Mets. Christian Mets.
9 seconds.
Exactly 9 minutes. Chucky. Short jumper. No good. Rebound by Ivan sa ilalim. Ivan. 9 seconds to shoot. 5 seconds to shoot. Kapul. Wala pa rin rebound by Lex. Rapas to. Out of bounds. Good ball. Tumakmak. Makmak. Ang ating leading best player sa ating papawis. Tumakmak again. Drop issue by Lex. 8 minutes and 28. Lex. Sir Lex. Sir Lex. Luman na. Good ball. Papol. Wala pa rin rebound by Mets. Kalawit rebound by Mets. 8 minutes and 10. Mets sa ilalim. Wala pa rin. Wow. Wow, by jersey number 0.
May penalty. May almost na naman. Hindi, wala pa. First zone pa lang. Yung sa kanila, final sa rebound.
Edge. Take 3. Ulitin kaya niya. Wala. All board. Rebound ni Ray. Wala pa rin rebound by Sir Robbie. Wow.
20 seconds.
20 seconds to shoot. 20 seconds.
Running time na. 15.
15 seconds to shoot. No good. Rebound by Chucky. Nauna na si Papol. Papol. 2 points. Papol. Tama. Mets. Power move. No good. Rebound by Lex. To Sir Papol. 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 Block by Block by Makmak.
Paul, tawag ka!
Rain. Rain. Inagawan. Rain. Rain pa rin. Grabe. Wala pa rin. 7 minutes exactly. Steal by Urge. Wow. Ano ba? Good, good. Good, good. Urge.
15 seconds.
15 seconds to shoot. So Sir Robbie, short jumper, tinignan pa pa, wala, rebound by Justin. Tumpa, Sir Papol, tama. Sir Papol, Papol. Ayan na, tunay na Chucky, 2 points. Sir Chucky, tama, 6-2. In favor of Team E.
Team E sila, Papol.
Mets, power move na naman, 2 points. Mets, Christian Mets. 6 minutes and 10. 6-4. 2.8 by Team E. Tapos to Lex. Double dribbling violation. Natid sa inyo ng Paul Sim Cement. Ang semento ng mga taga San Isidro.
Bazar!
Sponsor.
Lawas ako. 6-4 namang ang Team E. Nila Sir Chapley. Kama. 5 minutes and 46. Mets taking 3. No good. Rebound 5. Ivan. Ivan na mamadali. Drop pass to Papol. 2 points. Grabe ka. Papol. Guli-guli.
Guli-guli.
8-4. 5 minutes and 27. Makmak. 2 points. Makmak. Makmak. Bulan. Grabe yung 2 points. 10-6. Ivan. Last possession before change. Pag na-shoot yan, change the ball. Block by Jackie. Good ball. 12 seconds to shoot. 9 seconds to shoot. Change court na po. Change court. Change court. Hatid sa inyo na naman ng Inares ang hierarchy ng mga politika.
Iyan.
Yahoo! 10-6. And shoutout po sa ating 15 seconds to shoot. Season 1 po Pawis League. Start na po sa Sabado. 10 seconds to shoot. 8 seconds, taking 3. Green! Ivan! Die!
Labas. Counted.
Counted na po. Basket, interference. Basket, counted by Makmak Pulache. 13-8, 4 minutes and 15. Ivan. Good. Papol to Mirantes. Airball. Steal by Ivan. Lumibas si Ivan. 2 points. Ivan. Magay. Tapos na steal ni Sir Chackley. Grabe si Sir Chackley. Out of bounds. Wala na. Team.
15 seconds.
Hey, 15 seconds to shoot. 15 seconds. Ready to urge. 10 seconds to shoot. 8 seconds to shoot. Steal by Sir Lex. Sir Lex, binigay kay Sir Chackley. Sir Chackley. Steal by Sir Makmak. To Lex. 2 points! Counted yan, counted. Second ano natin, change court, may counted na. Mets. 2 points, Lex, solid! Solid yan. Kaya na, Makmak! Foul by Papol, Sir Papol, Guli-guli.
Guli-guli.
17-10, 3 minutes and 10.
Yung 1 minute na lang stop.
14 seconds to shoot. Sir Robbie, foul. Sir Robbie, foul. Sir Ivan,
15 seconds.
15 seconds to shoot. Makmak. Block na naman. Ni Lex. Wala si Lex naka-block. Nauna si Ray. Grabe yun. Naka-set Ray. Out of bounds. Wala na. Amy. Labas po. Then next game po natin. Team B versus. Ano nga yung kanina?
Bobo ka.
Bobo ka.
Team D. Dahil panalo pa na yung Team C kanina ng isa.
Good goal.
Lose to lose. Good ball. 2 points. Jacqueline. Come. 2 minutes and 18. 2 points. Robbie. Aling Togan.
Chackley.
50 seconds to shoot. Wait. Shot. No good. Rebound by Ray Banyares. Grabe pa ang rebound. Ray Banyares na nagbabalik. Ray Banyares. Galing pang SMMC Pride. 15 seconds to shoot. Binigay ka pa Pachalo. Sumas. Makmak. Pulache. Binaliktad ko lang.
Ang gamit siya doon. Foul.
Wow, by jersey number 3, Mets Christian. Labas na po. 1 minute and 30. 3 points na naman. Wala pa rin rebound by Urge. Nauna na si Sir Makmak. Sir Makmak lumipad. Wala. Nino. Ni Papol. Guli-guli. Sir Papol. Ooh, sayang crossover there. Out of bounds. Score 19-14 in favor of Team E. 5-point lead. Sir Lex. Sir Lex looper shot. 2 points. Parang ako lang.
Pero ako lang.
1 minute exactly. Ako nagtoro dyan.
Ako lang
2
to.
points. Mets. Christian. 5-point lead Team E. 21-16. 45 seconds.
Ako nagtoro dyan.
Ako nagtoro dyan.
10 seconds.
10 seconds to shoot. 5 seconds to shoot. Ang kalabasa kay Sir Jackie. 2 points. Jackie. Jam. 35 seconds. 2 points. Robbie. Shot clock. 18 seconds. 23-18. 10 seconds.